Dude, I'm still loading. Are you still loading?
Yeah, I'm still loading too. Even though it says 100%.
Oh, I'm in. Hello, where are you?
I'm in. So,
Oh my gosh, my brightness needs to be better. Hello. It's so rainy. Hello, Mungus Fungus. We're back. And this is a duo video with Tim and Consumer of Toasters. Say hi, Tim.
Hi.
Say something Tim would say.
I will.
Wow.
Wow.
Hey, look, it's bacon. Let's watch TV. Oh yeah, and the game is Midnight Fried Chicken. We picked it because it had the weirdest name.
Yes.
Dude, let's get some fried chicken.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Oh wait, looking for a job? Well, Lucky FC is looking for help. Come work with us. Dial 1-900-490 chicken.
Wait, we have to call the restaurants.
You're skinny. You're bald. Imagine being bald.
I want a job. Stay.
And you're interested? Yes. Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, tomorrow night. Yeah.
Dance like you want it. Why is the text is so big? Can we leave?
I don't know. We have to sleep.
Why are her beds next to each other?
What the hell? We just teleported? Is that our car?
No way, that's our car.
Oh, fire.
We got the new Cybertruck.
Yes. What's up, homeless man?
Yo, this is the new homeless man because the old homeless guy found a job.
Haven't been the same. Be careful in this place, bitch. What do you mean by that? You will soon understand. Get away from this. Just get away from this job as soon as possible.
No, I'm following you.
Oh no. But what? How do you just go?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. What's up?
Chat. Hello.
Hello. Are you James? My name's not James. My name is Grab69420.
No, my name's not James. My name's Grab69420.
But it's me. But
You can jump scare everyone.
I'm gonna
Be a respectful employee. I need to beep all your sentences.
follow him. Hey, come back. You're not allowed to leave. You are an employee in this place. You are, bro. Should we leave?
Clock in.
I'm closing the door on you.
I think we have to go over here. Dude,
I
free
can't
banana
see
peel.
nothing because of this.
$39. That's way too much.
Okay, bye. Fuck it.
I just went through you. Wait, we can go
Yes.
over. So I saw like a explanation.
Every day people talk to me.
Dude, look what I just found. I found
What?
America's school system.
talk to the customer. Where? Why does she have no face?
You ugly. This is Slender
I
Man's
agree.
daughter.
I'll have a bucket of chicken, please. Yeah, sure. That'd be $4.
No, it's $4.99.
Same thing. Grab. Where do you put? Where's the transfer? Okay.
Grab. Can you have a flashlight?
Get food from the freezer. Get food from the freezer, boy.
Is this the freezer? It has a freeze thing on it, but I can't. Are you listening to music and saying?
Okay, here you go. What? Well, tell me shut up.
That was the customer.
Oh, nice.
Wow, bye.
Bye-bye.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Go.
Why is
Okay,
it so small?
go.
Wait. Dude, I'm a vampire. I have no reflection.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, second. Why is the door open, bro? Oh, another customer came by. Help.
There's no
He's trying to kill me. Ah! Like you.
One time I went to a Taco Bell and there was no stalls, so there was just a random toilet next to it. It was just out in the open. Dude, I didn't know that Slenderman had so many, like, daughters.
Just want the sticks.
$3.50.
Bro, do something. You check on her. You check on her. She's gonna turn into a fried chicken and start killing us. On God. What's up now? Get your ass away from me, boy. Get away from me, boy.
You too.
Get the sticks. Yeah, bye-bye. Get out of the store. Get out of the store. I'm closing the door. The restaurant's Close the door. Close the door. The restaurant's closed, bro. These no-face, creepy-ass people, bro.
Bro, come here. Let's look at our delicious meals we can serve.
What the hell is that? Hello? May I take your order?
He has a beard, but he has no mouth.
He's a...
It's the agent. I want to talk about something real quick. Why is the FBI investigating our chicken?
Well, what? Pause.
Oh. Alrighty then.
Then we should go home. Alright, you check on him. He's gonna turn into some monster, bro. Oh God.
We need drumsticks.
Yes, you take the money. It's evening. No, it's not. It's like night. You check on him. Check on him. He's gonna turn into some monster, bro.
Can I just... I don't like how he is no... You have a face. Do I have a face? I hope that chicken's cold.
Yeah. Who else?
He didn't even close the door. How rude.
Close the door. Close the door.
Spooky, scary skeletons. Yeah, so we're doing this video to celebrate the Halloween season.
Yeah. Halloween. Spooky, scary. What the hell? Alright, you go cook now. You go cook. Chicken.
Where do you get the food?
Freezer.
Is it in the... Okay. I got a cotton candy.
Alright, give him his order, bro. You already cooked the food.
It's taking a while. Wow. There you go.
Wow.
He looks like Clint Cart. He looks like the Superman persona.
Yeah. Close the door, close the door.
What is it with people not closing the door? I want the teriyaki fried chicken. KFC is a great place to work.
What?
KFC is a great place to work, isn't it? To know food.
Yeah.
Hey, what is this?
Who the hell? Oh my god, it's Dexter. Dexter. Dexter.
No, it's old Sheldon. It's from The Big Bang Theory. I can't grab it, sorry. What does he want?
You know what? I'll go cook. Actually, yeah, I'll go cook. That boy is suspicious.
Hey, at least he has a face.
Yeah. It might be a man. You know what I'm saying?
It's very nice.
Yo, why is all the doors open? Good night. Leave.
Wait, I wonder if I close the door.
Still too late.
Don't come back.
Yeah. You coming?
Look at me straight in the eyes.
Here. This place sure needs some cleaning. I'm not gonna clean.
Clean. Yeah, there's only...
I'm about to reach glue.
Wait, can you grab multiple?
No, you can't. What happened to... Ew, banana.
So we're like... Wow. Well, dude, I found a thing. I found a thing over here. Look, it's like...
Take out the trash. Why?
Dude,
I don't want to take out the trash. It's so sketchy.
I'm lost.
Where do you take out the trash? Outside?
Yeah.
Because all you know is I'm not going outside.
You have to.
Alright then. Take some trash, bro.
Where is it? Oh.
Bro, I'm about to get Robux and buy an AK, bro. On God, this place is too sketchy. Deadly pistol. Oh, I see.
I didn't know we had a drive-through.
Yeah.
Dude, you're gonna get the video. You're gonna get the video copyrighted.
Oh yeah, okay. No, it's not, bro. I'm not gonna.
Oh,
Tell the homeless man to leave.
you scared me. This isn't.
Where is
I'm in the
Where is
trash.
he?
He's at the trash area.
Oh. I think he might be right.
Hey, wait. I like your nice shiny head.
What the why is back?
Oh.
Day 2?
Yep, when we're back in our Cybertruck. I'm in you, oh my gosh.
No, look at your teeth! Oh my god! You got teeth!
You have eyes. Hey, the FBI guy's here.
Really? What? Hello, sir.
Hey, look really closely at that door. Boo. Did I scare you?
Ah! Okay.
Chicken. Dude, I think this guy's like, get the cotton candy and turn it into drumsticks.
Yeah.
Oh, you already got it.
Yo, what is that at the door, bruh?
What?
Nah, I'm joking. There's nothing.
I'm watching you. Dude, what's in here? Can you
I
open
don't know.
this? I think it's just like another exit. Dude, there's a rubber duck. Very nice.
Customer.
Why are we only open at night? Oh, that is a nice mullet.
Oh yeah.
Why are we only open at night?
Take the cash. Take the cash. Take this cash.
What's up, man? So, how's that mullet treating you?
What? Bro, okay. I'll cook.
Yeah, cause you're a very good cook.
Cause I am a 5-star Michelin. And we serve the best chicken in this whole town.
I want chicken. That chicken looks really bad, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, because you're pissing on it.
Well, that's what I wanted.
Close the door. Oh god. Oh my god, a pump. Oh, this is a rocket launcher?
What?
Oh my god, this is a spooky, scary skeleton. He will go into your body.
Where are you?
Oh my god. It's the same guys from yesterday. Walked in. Oh.
Oh, yeah, he's like he's a reoccurring man. Young Sheldon loves this place.
I think that's not young Sheldon.
Old Sheldon.
Nah, that's Dexter. How much money have we made?
Like, at least $1.
No, we probably made like $1. Cause how much customers do we get in a day? Like 5? Yeah, we made like 13.
Wow, good math you got there. I'm gonna say
13,
something
not
very...
13. Like, I don't know, 25 something. I don't know. Like hashtag. Nice. Super not. I'm actually kind of hungry though. I might go outside to get a food. This game is making me hungry.
I know. I really want teriyaki fried chicken.
I want.
I
I want.
eat
fried
the chicken. This is where the chickens come from.
Really?
Or
I
behind.
haven't played this game.
I have not played this game.
Then how do you know? Bro, it's the same guys from yesterday.
He looks
I
like
swear to God, if they keep coming.
He looks like Superman. Bro, don't look at his back. I made you look.
Shut up, bro. You go cook. I'll look at his ass. What's up?
You get a frozen bucket and it magically, the bucket magically turns. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door.
Piss on it. Piss on it.
Yeah, I make sure everyone has a nice drink.
Yeah. I know someone's gonna appear. What the?
Dude, what?
I gotta open by its own. Check outside. Yo. Okay,
Oh, wow.
girl. You think she got so much faster, but she don't.
Well, why does everyone have the same car? I'm inside the car.
You want a bucket? Rook. Me? What? What? Is this game paralyzed? Because I said because... What?
Go get the chicken. And I will
But
watch.
the customer is... What? So the customer is working the job. Where is your face? Next time, remember... Finally.
Yeah, I don't care.
Close the door.
No, you do. No, you. Dude, the door magically opened.
Yeah. What? Did you open it? Yeah, you're laughing, boy. You opened it. Look at this magically closed. Oh, God. Watch.
Oh,
911.
I'll get the water dispenser. Psst.
What happened?
Be careful next time. Are we fired? I think we're fired. I'm in you.
I'm going home. Yeah, same. I'm going home, too.
Why is our... Whoa. Why is, like, the name of the thing just fried chicken?
Because of the fried chicken.
It's over.
Bruh.
I'll look in the bushes.
You left them in the bathroom?
No, you did.
No, you did. I warned you. What the? Why is it blood?
No, it's just ketchup. There's just...
No! Homeless man!
He fell asleep on ketchup. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go home.
Call 911.
They're gonna think we did it.
No. Check the body.
Hey,
We just did.
Okay, so after finding a dead body and the entire kitchen burns down, we still work here?
What?
Dude, I don't know. Anything to just buy.
Bro, this guy's back.
Hey, where were you? Where were you? I never saw you again. I'm working in the afternoon. I see.
How about we work in the afternoon and you work in the night?
Yeah. You work in the night. Get better. Dude. Grab a mop and mop the water. 11 left. Is the mop in the same place as the broom?
I don't want to do this shit, bro. Close the damn door. Someone's gonna appear. This is so frustrating.
Oh, it's so goofy to walk and you're just carrying a giant stick.
Oh yeah, too easy. You get one, I'll get one. Alright, you good. Okay, nice. Done.
Yeah, James, we're done. James.
James. LeBron James. No. James.
I can go inside James. Go.
Wow.
Go inside James. Go inside James.
Yeah. Oh, hell.
Go inside James. Are you perhaps on the menu? Why is Slenderman's daughter flirting with us?
Put cash into the register, mate. Okay, there.
What? How do I put it in?
What happens if we just take the money and run away and not give her food?
Then, well, Slenderman's daughter is trying to date us. What do we do in that situation?
Yeah.
Yummy. Wait, do you think she was talking to me or you?
You, because you're a crocodile.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, I'm a crocodile. That's what the ladies want, a crocodile.
What?
I hope that's a lady. Ugh.
Yeah.
It
was a drumstick, bro.
I'll go get the drumsticks. You can take a nap or something.
This is a burger place. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the cash and run away.
Yeah, let's go.
Here comes the money. How about we just not give her food for like a whole hour?
Yeah. Let's run away. Let's run away.
Yeah, let's go. I'm taking the food. I'm cooking it and I'm taking it home.
I'll meet you at the car.
Are you at the car?
Yeah.
I got a drumstick.
Let's go home.
Yeah, let's go home.
Get in.
Well, I can't.